Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the newly launched K-Beauty Eye Canvas Discover Eyeshadow Palettes. I've got two of them, so let's get started. So these are the newly launched K-Beauty Eye Canvas Discover Eyeshadow Palettes, which are basically her eyeshadow quads. Comes in 5 different shades and I have picked up 2 of them, which I'm going to talk about in this video. These are priced at ₹699 each and you're getting 4 grams of product. Comes in this kind of outer cardboard box. This signature K-Beauty print going on, looks very luxe, very travel friendly packaging. And in each of the quads, you're gonna get 4 different eyeshadows and the packaging is very travel friendly. It's so easy to carry and use on the go. It also comes with its own little mirror. Now these are available in 5 different shades as I have told you, but I have picked up 2 of them. The first shade that I'm going to talk about is Par. It's a complete matte eyeshadow quad. As you can see, 4 different neutral shades, I would say, perfect for using on an everyday basis, something that you can use on the go. You can create like everyday eyeshadow looks. At the same time, you can use a single shade as a wash of color with this particular palette. Every shade that you're going to get in this particular shade called Par are all matte, and you're not going to receive any sort of shimmery or glittery shades in this particular variant. At first, I'm going to take this matte brown shade from the palette, and with the help of a flat shader brush, I'm going to deposit the color on all over my eyelid just as a single shade as my lid color. And I'm going to take this dusty pink shade from the palette, and with the help of a small crease brush, I'm going to blend out that brown shade which I have applied on my lid. And you can see the shades are easily blendable, at the same time very easy to apply. These are having nice color payoff but not over the top, which I think is really good when you are using something on the go, at the same time perfect for the beginners out there. I'm going to take this like charcoal black shade from this particular palette. I'm going to apply it very close to my upper lashes to create that smoky, smudgy sort of black liner look using that particular eyeshadow. And you can see it's very easily blendable on the eyes. It's getting really nicely blended into the brown shade which I have applied on my lid. And now I'm going to take my kajal and tightline my upper waterline, as well as using the same on my lower lash line. Now taking the brown from the palette, I'm going to smudge out that kohl which I have applied on my lower waterline, and you can see you can easily create this very soft looking, almost like mocha brown sort of everyday eyeshadow look using this particular palette. You can also create intense brown smoky eyes, black smoky eyes with this particular variant as well. And after the application of the mascara, and you can see this is how the eye look turned out. So this is the first look which I have created. I'm going to use this particular like soft baby pink shade, which is a matte shade, but it is having a little bit of sheen going on. I'm going to apply it on the inner corner of my eyes to highlight the inner corner. And you can see this is the look which I have created using the shade Par, like the variant Par. Now coming to the next eyeshadow quad that I picked up is in the shade Outshine, and it's a very beautiful palette. With this particular one, you can create multiple shades. As you can see, it comes with 2 different matte shades, one pressed glitter and one like a soft shimmer, golden shimmer, which has got a pink hue going on. So perfect for using for any special occasion. At the same time, you can also create smoky eyes with this particular one. You can see the shades are really pigmented. So both the shades that I picked up are on the brown side, because I know this kind of eyeshadows are very easy and safe to use, and you can actually blind by these. So you can see using the brown shade from this particular palette, which is not that intense compared to the first shade, that is the Par variant that I have used. I'm going to deposit the color on all over my eyelid, blending out the edges using my blending brush. And I'm going to take that black from this palette, and this is really pigmented, and I have noticed a little bit of fallout with this particular black shade, I would say, not with the other shades that I have used. So you can see with this particular black, I'm going to deposit the color on the outer corner of my eyes, and with the fluffy blending brush, I'm going to blend out the edges to create that gradient. Now this is the star of the show. It's a beautiful, like a complete chocolate brown, very gorgeous looking glitter, pressed glitter eyeshadow, which I'm using directly on my eyelid using my fingertips. With this particular glitter eyeshadow, I haven't noticed like intense fallout. A little bit of fallout is very much normal, and it's very much visible with most of the glitter eyeshadows, but with this particular one, you don't need any glitter glue whatsoever. You can use your fingertips and directly apply it on your eyelid, and it's just good to go. Using my kajal one more time to tightline my upper waterline, as well as using it on my lower lash line as well. Using this brown eyeshadow, matte brown eyeshadow from the palette, I'm going to smudge out the kohl which I have applied on my lower lash line. As you can see, this is how the eye look turned out. It is looking really pretty. If you want, you can intensify the kohl to make it look more smoky, more grungy. If you want to create like looks for any kind of special occasion, you can see with the brown one and a little bit with the black eyeshadow, I have seen a little bit of fallout which I have removed using my wet tissue. So this particular variant is having a little bit of fallout, but I haven't noticed any fallout with the shade Par. Now I'm using the glitter eyeshadow one more time, like the brown glitter eyeshadow, and applying it on the inner 1/3 of my lower lash line, and this is how the second look turned out. Using this champagne gold shade which has got a hint of pink hue going on, I'm going to use it on the inner corner of my eyes, and this is how the eye look turned out, guys. So you can try out any of these. These are very good quality eyeshadows, under budget, good quality, something perfect for the beginners out there. At the same time, something that you can use on an everyday basis and also for special occasion. Really impressed with the formula as well, and also something which I think will be definitely working for you. You can use any one of these and you're just good to go. So I hope that this video has definitely helped you in order to know more about this particular palette. Absolutely love the shade Par as well as the shade Outshine, and the two eye looks turned out to be so gorgeous, guys. I hope you really like this video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. We'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care of yourself. See you soon. Bye, guys.